All right, time for a little circle geometry. And I've been asked to do this one here. This is a 1F from one of the exercises you good folks had. I'm not quite sure which exercise, but it's 1F. Okay, nice and straightforward. I like 1F. I'm going to redraw this. So here we go. We have a circle of some sort. We have a central position. We've got angle arms heading out to the circumference. And we've got an angle at the circumference over here. And we've got an angle at the center over here. And the angle at the center is going to be 100 degrees, it says. We've got a couple of arms here, and these ones here are exactly the same length, which I haven't drawn this very well because, of course, these are also the same length as each other. These are radii. So these two are, in fact, the same length. And, of course, the angle at the center must equal twice the angle at the circumference. So this angle here must be 50. And the reason angle is 50, angle equals 50 degrees. And I put in brackets, angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. And that's the reason. But because these are the same, these lines are here the same, and these two lines here are the same, these two must be symmetrical. This must be symmetrical around the center, which means this angle here, which we're calling x, and this angle here must also be x. It's not very good focus, is it? So these must also be x. Yeah, these must be symmetrical. Now, this is a quadrilateral 1, 2, 3, 4 side, and we can say some angles in quad equal 360 degrees. So therefore, we must have this angle here. We know this angle here, and that angle there we know because angles I'll put at point, or the sum I should say, sum of angles at point equal 360 degrees. So this one here must be 360 minus 100, which equals 260 degrees. So now we've got a quadrilateral. Let's draw up our quadrilateral. It looks something like this, and like there. Very badly drawn. But we do know that this one here is 260. We do know that this one here is 50. And we've got an x, and we've got another x. So in other words, we've got 260 plus 50 plus 2x must equal 360 degrees. So let's see what we've got here. Well, 260 and a 50 makes 310 plus 2x equals 360. So if I subtract the 310 from both sides, I'm left with 2x is equal to, well, this is going to be 50 degrees. So I've got 50 degrees there. So x, if I divide both sides by 2, I'm left with an x here. And 50 divided by 2 is 25 degrees. So x must be 25 degrees. And you would say, and I would use the thinking here, some angles in quad equal 360 degrees. And that's how I would solve that. Hope that makes sense.